Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make kuska. For this, take a pan, add in 50 grams of butter and 4 to 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Then we are going to add in 3 bay leaves, 5 to 6 cloves, 5 to 6 cardamom. Now I am going to add in 3 medium-sized onions chopped. Once they turn golden, I will add in chopped tomatoes, 3 small chopped tomatoes. Now I am going to add in a paste of ginger, garlic, cinnamon, cardamom and cloves. Now I am adding in half a cup of coriander leaves chopped and half a cup of mint leaves chopped and 2 green chilies sliced into 2 pieces. Mix it well. At this point we are going to add in our spices. First I am adding in salt as per taste. Then I am adding in coriander powder 2 tablespoons. Then I am adding in half a tablespoon of turmeric and chili powder as per your taste and a little bit of cumin powder. Give it a good mix. Then I will add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of water so that it doesn't get burnt. Now I am adding in 2 tablespoons of curd. Give it a good mix. Then I am adding in 2 cups of water. We have to add in double the water of whatever amount of rice you use. So now I am adding in 1 cup of washed rice. Once the rice comes to boil, I'm going to cover the lid and cook for another 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, this is how it looks. And it's done. Serve it hot. Please do consider subscribing to my channel and I will see you in the next video.